travel in Istanbul for one day for $62? 1. Accommodation. Istanbul offers a wide range of accommodation options. Hostels are often the best options for budget travelers. Hostels are usually located in central areas and usually cost between $10 to $20 per night. However, these prices can vary depending on the location, quality, and season of the hostel. Especially in popular areas such as Sultanahmet, Beyoğlu, and Kadıköy, accommodation prices may be slightly higher. 2. Food and drink. Eating and drinking options in Istanbul are varied, and there are many options to suit your budget. Street vendors and local restaurants usually offer more affordable options. You can buy snacks such as simit, kebab, or börek from street vendors. An average lunch can cost between $3 to $10 from street vendors or local restaurants. For dinner, it is recommended to budget between $5 to $20. 3. Public transportation and activities. Public transportation in Istanbul is well developed and affordable. You can explore the city with various options such as metro, tram, bus, and ferry. A round-trip public transportation ticket usually costs between $1 to $2. There are also many free or low-cost tourist activities in Istanbul. For example, you can visit the historical sites in Sultanahmet Square for free or go up the Galata Tower. The entrance fee is usually between $5 to $10. 4. Shopping. If you want to shop in Istanbul, you can find bargains in places like Grand Bazaar and Grand Bazaar. You can buy souvenirs, jewelry, textiles, and local handicrafts at affordable prices. There are many wonderful places to visit for free in Istanbul. Here are some suggestions for free sightseeing in Istanbul. 1. Sultanahmet Square and surroundings. Hagia Sophia, Blue Mosque, Topkapi Palace, and Basilica Kistern are all located around Sultanahmet Square. It is free to visit this area and see the historical monuments. 2. Galata Tower. You can go to the top of the Galata Tower and enjoy a spectacular view of Istanbul for free. The view is particularly impressive at sunset. 3. Bosphorus walks. Walks along the Bosphorus are free and a great way to discover the beauty of the Bosphorus. Walks from Beşiktaş to Ortaköy or from Üsküdar to Kadıköy are particularly enjoyable. 4. Istiklal Street and Taksim Square. Istiklal Street is one of the most famous shopping and entertainment streets in Istanbul. Walking is free during the hours when the street is closed to traffic. Taksim Square has a free area for people watching and relaxing. 5. Emirgan Grove. Emirgan Grove is a great place for a pleasant walk or picnic in the greenery. Entrance to the park is free of charge. 6. Yildiz Park. Located in Beşiktaş, Yildiz Park is an ideal place for those who want to get away from the crowds of the city and get in touch with nature. The park can be visited for free. 7. Süleymaniye Mosque. Garden. Entrance to the garden of Süleymaniye Mosque is free of charge. Here you can relax, watch the view, and enjoy the historical atmosphere. 8. Kadıköy Bazaar. It is free to wander the streets of Kadıköy and explore the various shops. Especially Tuesday Bazaar is a place where you can buy local products at affordable prices. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.